Hi, and welcome back to another Blender Basics restroom diorama. So right now we're going to create a toilet. I'm stuck between a Japanese toilet because it's a lot easier to make, or a American toilet. Because I think the Japanese one, or the one I'm thinking about, is like where you kind of squat, and the American one is what the one you sit. But it's just for manga. Um, so yeah, let's see. We're gonna go with 7 right now, and we're gonna create it right here. So Shift A, and we're gonna do a circle, and then we're gonna move it over here. 7. All right. Let's go to Tab, Edit Mode, and we're gonna do vertices. All right. So if we do this right, select all these and then press SC1. Nope. Okay. SY1. Nope. SX1. Maybe, let's see, smooth things out. Because we kind of want this to go, all these vertices to like go down. And I guess we can just do it like that. Right, that would be the shape of a toilet. Yeah, that's way better than what I was thinking. Then select these. We're gonna go with proportion writing here. So select this right here. So then we make movements, it'll change things up proportionally, and we're gonna make sure it's y-axis, yeah. And that's how we make, well, the toilet part. All right. So then we can select everything here, then S, then Shift D, S, and that'll be the outer edge, but that can also be the toilet seat itself. So we're gonna select all of this and then press F, and then we're gonna press face mode. Oh. Let's get rid of this. G, all right, Shift D, A, P, by loose parts, tab, object mode, select one of them, tab, edit mode. Okay, and then we're gonna select all of it, A, and then F, and that'll be at our bottom, and then I, and then we are going to select faces, and it's just going to be the edges here. So select A, and then we're going to deselect the face right here. All right, next, and then E, like that, then E up, then S, then E, then S, then E, then S. All right, and there we have pretty much the shape we want for a toilet. 7 again, and then we're gonna do edge mode and press vertices, and we're gonna select this about here. Oh, see, increase. Oh, see, there. Increase the little button. All right, and then G, Y. Move it like that. Alright, nice. Tab, object mode, toggle out of X-ray mode, and then we're going to do R, Y, 90. No, actually, 180. See? Alright. And then tab, edit mode, face mode, and then delete face. Sweet. Okay, sweet. We get a pretty decent toilet overall. An American one at that too. Let's go to edge mode. 7. We're gonna make this a little wider here in the back, and we're just gonna pick these ones right there, GY, and we're gonna focus like that. Yeah. Okay. Now, one thing that's really important, whether it's in edge mode, face mode, or vertice mode, is let's say you want to select all these edges, but only in this like topmost, right? So select this one and then select the other one, but double press it. Like after you select the first one, and sorry, okay. So if you select one vertice and then you select another one and double click on it, it'll circle around the entire loop, because that's also the direction you chose. So like if I select this one and then the second one, but it's on the opposite way, and double click it, it'll select again everything on the edge, but it'll be in that opposite direction. So just want you to keep that in account. Right? And then face mode. No. All right. How do we do this? So we can right click and then do merge vertices, add collapse, add first. No, we don't want that. Dissolve vertices, no. Snap vertices. Yes, we can snap vertices. We're not sure though. Select it to grid? Oh, that is not what we want. Okay. Because really what we want is, let's select edge mode. Okay. And then we also want like that. We want that. Okay. So like something like this. And yeah, we can do it manually as well. Unfortunately, we can't like we can't do the loop to do this automatically. I wish maybe someone has made it though, like where you select these two faces, these two edges, and it creates a face. And like because these are perfectly aligned loops, or there's enough matching faces where it'll create the entire thing for you. But maybe that's an idea. All right, so then we can also do this. Oh, sorry, go ahead. Nope. Yeah, no, this video is going to take a little longer, unfortunately, for the toilet, because I'm also fairly new to it. So I apologize for that. But this is a good way to learn how to join faces. How to create faces from edges, but also the same for, let's see, vertice mode, right? So we create this, so select these 4, we can create a face. If we select these 2 edges right here, F, it'll create a line. All right, so let's select all these, what do you call, vertices right here, and we're only doing the top ones, like that. But let's select this face first. Okay, that's evenly throughout. Yeah, we could just go with faces. With edges. And then sweet. Select everything for me. Okay. And then just press F and sweet. And this is also really useful because we're going to go and create the top part for the toilet right here. And then we can select this, just these edges right here. That, and then we're going to go face mode, E, I, E, nope. All right. We can go Shift D, then A, then P by loose parts, and this face object here, we're going to bring it up, and we're going to go back here. Dab, edit mode, and then tab. Actually, no, we're not gonna make anything more from here. We could use an inset and then make it go down, so like it's that little bowl. But again, we're not going that far. So yeah, sorry about that. All right, so tab, edit mode. Let's go. Let's just go back. All right. We're gonna go E up, and then we're gonna select all these faces. All right. Right, and we're gonna extrude along the normals, because if we extrude otherwise, it will come off really funky. All right, and then here, and then we're just gonna select all the faces up here. Okay, make sure nothing else is accidentally selected, and E up. Nice. Okay, there we have it. Let's go back to object mode. I think here it is. This is going to be the toilet part. So let's go up 1, 7, sorry. And it's just going to be like this. Tab, edit mode. We're going to go vertices, select these, GY. Oh, you press the middle button down to increase or decrease the proportional editing. All right, then press A. For all of these, we're going to press F, create the little face. Then we're going to press E a little bit, then S. Oh, sorry, turn proportional editing off for that. Then S, and there, that's it. That is our toilet. CC, all right, GY, and go back like this, and it's fine. All right, that is our toilet. We can add the little lever here if we want. Tab, object mode, Shift A, make it a little cube. We're not gonna overly do it because I think we're like literally double the time that we usually do for these videos. Sorry about that. SY, smaller. RC90, 7 for the top view, then R rotated like this. SY. All right, there we are. That's so you can flush it down, but otherwise, oh, Okay, we are not done with this toilet. Sorry about that. Go to object mode, shift A, mesh, cube, 7. We're going to go right here. 3. Oh, we don't want magnet part on. Then S. Then SC. And then we are gonna tab edit mode A, edges, and bevel. Like that. Make a few of these. Okay. Tab object mode, bring it back just a little bit, and then with these, all 3 of these selected, go down, and that's about the appropriate place that a toilet should actually be. Oh, and this too, because you don't want to be taking that up there. All right, then SY. All right. Sweet. Okay. And we are done with the toilet now for real. All right. Sorry this one took so long. Again, I'm also still learning, but hopefully the toilet's not too bad for you guys. Next video we'll talk about materials, and we will show you how to link some materials across things, assign it just to certain faces. But yeah, we're almost there. Thanks for staying by.